Daily record the duration taken by you to reach your school. Now create a histogram for the data recorded. Let's take a simple approach to understand how you can record your daily travel time to school and then create a histogram based on that data. This will be an easy step-by-step. Step 1. Recording your data. For a week, record the time it takes for you to reach school each day. Step 2. Organizing your data. Put your recorded times in order from smallest to largest minutes. Step 3. Creating a histogram. A histogram is a type of graph that shows the frequency of data within certain ranges or intervals. In this case, our intervals can be the travel times. Determine intervals. Since our times range from 18 to 22 minutes, we might set up intervals like this: 17 to 19 minutes, 20 to 22 minutes. Count the frequency. Now, count how many days fall into each interval: 17 to 19 minutes, that is 3 days. 20 to 22 minutes, that is 2 days. Draw the histogram. Draw a horizontal line and label it with the intervals of travel times. Draw a vertical line for the frequency, which is the number of days. For each interval, draw a bar that reaches up to the frequency number. Here's the histogram showing your travel time to school over a week. On the horizontal axis, we have intervals of time in minutes, and on the vertical axis, the number of days that fall into each interval. From a statistical investigative question to find the favorite sports of your classmates. Record the data and create a pie chart for the data collect. Let's take a record of statistical investigative question to find the favorite sports of your classmate. Step 1. Ask a statistical question. You want to find out what is the favorite sport of my classmates. Step 2. Collect data. Ask each of your classmates about their favorite sport and keep a record. Let's say you asked 20 classmates and got the following responses. Step 3. Organize data. List the sports and the number of votes each received. Step 4. Create a pie chart. A pie chart is a circular statistical graphic divided into slices to illustrate numerical proportion. In this case, each slice represents a sport, and the size of each slice shows how popular that sport is among your classmates. Steps to draw a pie chart. Draw a circle. This represents all the responses you collected. Divide the circle into slices. Each slice represents a sport. The size of each slice is proportional to the number of votes the sport received. Label each slice. This helps in identifying which sport each slice represents. Optionally, you can also add the percentage of each sport. Now, let's create the pie chart based on your data. Here's the pie chart representing the favorite sports of your classmates. Each slice of the pie chart shows a different sport, with the size of the slice indicating how many votes each sport received. Soccer is the most popular, with the largest slice. Basketball comes next. Tennis, baseball, and swimming have smaller slices, showing they are less popular compared to soccer and basketball. Record the marks of seasonal test for all subjects. 10 students of your class. Find out the maximum, minimum, and average marks of students in every subject. Let's imagine you've recorded the marks of 10 students in your class for 3 subjects: math, science, and English. Step 1. Record the marks. First, collect the marks for each student in each subject. For simplicity, let's use these hypothetical marks. Step 2. Find the maximum, minimum, and average marks for each subject. To analyze the marks, you'll calculate the maximum, highest, minimum, lowest, and average marks for each subject. Let's calculate the maximum, minimum, and average marks for each subject. Here are maximum, minimum, and average marks for math. For science, And for English,